Hello, my name is Isabel, and now I'm going to show you how to convert music files, OGG files. OGG format is a relatively well-known and popular audio format, and if you would like to convert one of your songs to this OGG format, there exist several programs and converters to do this. Now I'm going to show you how to work with one of these converters.
Okay, I open Arial CD Ripper. And there, click on the icon Convert. Now in this window that appears, on the right hand side, click on the small plus sign to add a file. Here we select the file that we would like to convert. It's now an MP3 file called demo. Now click on OK, and when you are done, then settings. And here you can see the settings where you can select the output type, which is now going to be OGG. And the output path if it's not the proper one. If you're done, next. And here you can see the OGG settings, where you can select the compression percent, the maximal, the nominal, and the minimal bit rates. And if you're done with the settings, please click on Finish. Okay. Now if you click on the file and click on Start the conversion, the small window appears, and we have to wait some seconds or some minutes until the execution is finished. Okay, task complete. Now we click on OK, and it automatically opens the file, and as you can see, the type is now an OGG file.